6:47 a.m. right now, and I got to work really early, so I'm just setting up my stuff, and then I'm gonna wait a second to clock in because it's a little too early now. 6:50 now. So also, I fell asleep really early last night, but my boyfriend made me lunch for today. I love him. So we're eating basically the same thing, but we have more shrimp this time. I'm so excited. We're gonna have that for lunch. I still have my drinks here, so I didn't have to bring that this morning, which is awesome. Also, I told you guys this already, but I'm bringing this, or eating this for lunch, and I'm so excited. This time we have 6 shrimps. Yesterday I only had 2, but this time 6. Just added this hazelnut coffee into my milk. I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna have some of this. I'm excited. Hi guys. It's been many hours later. I think I showed you guys my lunch for today. That's the last time I vlogged, which was already 2 hours ago now. And yeah, it's 2:08 p.m. and I get off work soon, probably in like an hour and a half. Yeah, that's it, I guess. We have my water here. That's Hi guys, how's it going? I'm currently at work and just wanted to say hi. And also, I put my hair in a sock last night, and this is the result. Not bad. Not bad, but my hair is still frizzy. Every 2 weeks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. How are you guys doing? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Raven and I post a lot of vlog videos on this channel for the most part. And then other than that, I also post haul videos and just random things that I think about. And yeah, so today is what? Today is Sunday, July 6th. I just got home from work, and then after work I went to my parents' house and I picked up some stuff because my mom wanted me to grab some stuff from her. She made some food, so you know, she's like, come over and grab some of this because we have a lot. So shout outs to my parents for always thinking of us, me and my brother, and for always just being the best. Like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like they don't think they're doing the best, but I think they're doing the best, and I love them. So anyways, I just got home from their house, or their place, and I'm so lucky because I live, dude, my chin is chin. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from my parents' house. Also, I need to stop doing this with my hands. Also, bitch, it's 6:04. That means Love Island is playing right now, and I'm playing around doing this. But let me show you guys what I got from my parents' house because it's pretty exciting. See this. This is a huge Costco tote bag, and if you guys know me, you know I love my tote bags, and I should do a video on my tote bag collections because I have a whole bin of tote bags, and I have more that's not in the bin. So it's kind of embarrassing, but maybe I should stop buying tote bags now. But I just can't because I love tote bags, and you can always use them for random things. And then this is the tote bag I brought to work because I knew I was gonna get something, and I wanted to make sure I have a tote bag for it. So I ordered food, which I'm gonna eat actually right now. But I got some mac and cheese from Safeway. I love their mac and cheese. I don't know why, but I do. I also got some potato wedges. I'm gonna reheat this up. And then lastly from Safeway, we got this sandwich. It's like a croissant sandwich with bacon, spinach, American cheese, and like this chipotle sauce that they have there. I don't know what it is, but they have that. And then I also got soda, which I didn't get to drink. Mind you, I already ordered like food. I mean, I already brought food with me to eat at work, but I decided to get all of this because I wanted to get coffee. And I didn't want to spend $2 extra on like a small fee, whatever, because I was like, oh hell no, I'm gonna spend that $2 somewhere else. And that $2 turned into like $12 because I saw that Safeway, like I had like $6 off thing, so it was like $16 or $18. It became $12. Anyways, so that's what I got. And then my mom made a lot of food, and so she gave me a bunch of food, so I'm excited to eat. Actually, I should eat this instead of this junk. I could eat this later on, like tonight or something. But oh my god, let's see what my mom got. Also, so first things first, my mom gave me a Tupperware full of watermelons. She knows I love my watermelons, so she got me those. In here, I think this is lechon paksiw or something. Oh my god, my mom made some beef tapa, and she's like, do you want some? And I'm like, hell yeah, I want some. And I love tapa. Beef tapa is like one of my faves. When I was in the Philippines, there's like this little like restaurant that's like open, but it's only open like from like 10 p.m. to like 6 a.m. So it's like for people going to work at that time, which was cool. But yeah, there's this place outside of my house that would sell beef tapa, and it would have like egg on it and like garlic rice, and oh my god, I cannot, because I'm definitely gonna make that kind of meal tonight. I'm so excited.
The cat is trying.
The noise is attractive.